Hey guys, it's Erin back here with another video. So as you can tell by that title, I am doing a 3-strand twist out on blown out hair, clearly. So I did get my hair trimmed this morning. I got it washed and blow dried, professionally trimmed. Finally, this was my first time getting it professionally trimmed in 2.5 years. So it was way overdue. But I did grow out heat damage for 2 years ish. So I mean, I was trimming it along the way, but I needed a professional trim. Here I am, and I think she got my shape. I think we're gonna see once I finish the style, for real, but I think that my shape is where I want it to be now because she trimmed it. So we'll see. But yeah, let's just get into it. Starting off on freshly washed and blow dried and trimmed hair. I'm very happy, you guys. I'm gonna stop rambling in just a second, but I did lose about 2 inches of hair, or maybe 1.5 inches. I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hair. I know in the front my hair was here before, and now it's here, so it's 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hair. But I mean, more life to my hair. I'm definitely a health over length type of natural. I do not really care about my length. I care about length, but I care about health more than anything because I hate seeing my curls not popping. All right, that's enough talking, so I'm gonna get into this video. For today's style, I am going to use the Beauty Nest Watch Me Grow oil, and I'm just gonna oil my scalp with this before I get started. And then of course I'll probably take my style down with this. Ooh, it's splashing. I didn't close it. Anyways, and I'm also using my Camille Rose Almond J twisting butter for my twisting cream. You guys may remember that I did say oh, I'm not using oil on my scalp anymore, but yes, I did say I'm not using oil on my scalp anymore, but I am trying something new and I'm gonna go back to using oil on my scalp again, just because my scalp has been crazy. So I'm going back to oil on my scalp and we'll see how it works. So this is, I don't know if I've used this on my channel before, but this is the Camille Rose Almond J twisting butter. Like I said before, it smells so good. I did mention this in my products you need in your natural hair stash video, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But yeah, I don't think I've used this on my channel before, but it's a great product. But this isn't a review, so just believe me that it's a great product and you'll see the results. I'm working with slightly small sections because I do want this to be super duper defined. And I'm actually not going to braid at the root like I usually do with my 3-strand twist. I'm just gonna braid all the way down. So just make sure your section is detangled. Take some product. So if you don't know how to 3-strand twist, basically just I take 1/3 of my section from the right side, part it off, and then I bring it over that section into my left hand and just hold it, and then I take half of the section left, part it off, bring it over to my left hand, hold it, while the other section that I first started with is now right here. So then I just keep doing that with this last section, and then you keep just twisting around. And I'll show you guys another one when I get to the front, because I don't know if that was super clear, if you could see it very well. And just comb through on each part once you get to the end, because you want to make sure it is smooth and detangled. I'm going to add a little bit more product. And then if you end it off with a 2-strand twist, that's fine. That's what I'm doing because sometimes I just run out of hair. And boom. Oh, look at my ends. I love freshly trimmed hair. But yeah, I'm gonna speed through the rest of the section, and I'll come back once I get to the front, so you guys can see another detailed explanation. Okay guys, so I made it to the front of this section. I'm just going to show you guys one or two more. Oop. Okay, so I just comb out my little section, take some product, a very small amount, because a little goes a long way, and then I just smooth that through my section, and then I divide it 1/3, take that, put it in my left hand, take half of that left, take that, put it in my left hand, and just keep cycling through that process. And then when I get to the ends, that's when I will comb it just to make sure it is smooth, possibly add a little bit more product, and that is it. So a little bit about, you know, why I chose to do a 3-strand twist, because I don't remember if I said it before, but yeah, I chose to do 3-strand instead of 2-strand because 3-strand, like, look at this is 3-strand, and if you look at the bottom of that, that's 2-strand, and like it should come out more defined. So that's why I chose to do a 3-strand as opposed to 2-strand, because I really want definition from this style. I want a lot of definition, so I think that I would get best results with a 3-strand twist out, and that is what we are doing and why we are doing it. Okay guys, so my twists are done. I am very excited to see the results. If you do this style, honestly, you can sit in the dryer for like the hooded dryer for like 2 hours and you'll be fine and take them down. But I'm just gonna keep them in for a couple of days because I don't have time to take them down tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys when it's time for takedown. Hey guys, it is 2 days later because I did this on Sunday and it's Tuesday now, and about to take my hair down. So I am using the Beauty Nest Watch Me Grow hair growth oil to eliminate frizz. But I also like to just kind of like put it on all my twists before I take them down, and then we're gonna get into taking them down. I'm not gonna talk through this part because I think this video is probably long enough. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so these are my final results. I love them. I think that they look really good. Also, I don't know if you can tell the difference, you know, because of my trim, but I can. I feel like the shape is better. And I think my curls honestly just look better, but I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe before you head out. And if you made it to this point in the video, then please drop down below a scissor emoji to cut off, dead ends. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.